Hi there, and welcome to Reading with the Rossis. My name is Sarah Rossi, and today I am joined by Bendu, who is another pet within the Rossi family. He is actually my sister's bird. He's an Indian ringneck bird, and he is Emily Rossi's bird. But today he wanted to join us so that we could enjoy a little bit of a book together that also is a song. And the song actually has to do with playing in water. And you might have heard the song before. The song is called Singing in the Rain. And that is something that Bendu loves to do. He loves to sing, like you just heard him. And he loves to play in water, just like you would in the rain. So today he's going to help us read this book together, and he's also going to play a little bit in the water and a little bit of the rain today. So you can keep an eye on him, or you can keep an eye on the book that we'll sing together. It's up to you, but we'll sing a little bit of Singing in the Rain. So in the book, it has different birds in it too. Just like that, you can see Bendu's interested. Let's see, gonna help me turn the page? I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. And Bendu is very happy when he gets to play in the water and the rain. He's helping me sing today. I'm laughing at the clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. You helping me sing? Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at the clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Ooh, he's singing all sorts of notes to me. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. Oh, there's a blue-colored bird in this book too, just like you, Bendu. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. I love that tail shake that Bendu gave us. He's just drying off from singing and dancing in the rain. Yes, you were. Well, thank you for joining us with this book today. And Bendu, thank you for singing with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching him play a little bit in the water and hearing Bendu sing with us.